There it is. There's so many videos about this monitor though.
Hello everybody, it's True Detective and it's an unboxing time. Today a new monitor for my YouTube production. Okay, here's the new monitor. ASUS ProART display PA279CV. Here is the stand, and that's metal. I mean fucking metal. No, that's plastic. That's metal. A power cable. For us in the Europe, Finland, it looks like this. A display port cable, a USB-C cable, and some manuals. No HDMI cable. I hope that my HDMI cable supports 4K. There's some more bullshit about the screen for you. Supposed to be designed for this type of graphic design work and working with video and images. Here's the panel itself and the buttons here and this type of a measurement thing on the lower part of the screen. Some stickers about that color accuracy and USB-C, and here's this tomfuckery of the stand and standard. There's this amount. Like this. On the background you can see some of my older paintings.
Here's the connectivity on the back of the monitor. 2 HDMI ports, 1 display port, headphone jack, USB-C, 2 USB super speed ports, and then we have 2 more, and these are 5 volt super speed USB 3s. So it has a hub. The monitor stand also features this swivel type of stuff, so you can put it in portrait mode, but who cares about that with this big of a monitor? I don't know why you would put it in portrait mode. Maybe some fuckers are gonna do that, but I won't. There it is. There's so many videos about this monitor, those when it's powered on. There's my older Lenovo. I think this one is 24 inches and it's a 1440p monitor. One of the selling factors for me was this blue light setting. We also have a dark room mode over here. That's pretty great.
That's the unboxing. I hope that this monitor will be well serving my purpose for the content creation of the future videos and all the image manipulation that I do, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it helped you to make your future choice.